This is Leon Lovett, a licensed massage therapist and certified medical massage therapist with nearly 20 years of hands-on experience. The information shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Services at TravSpa do not diagnose, treat, or replace care from a licensed medical provider. If you have a medical condition, injury, or health concern, please consult with your physician or qualified healthcare professional before starting any new bodywork or wellness service. Today I'm breaking down one of our most transformative services, the TravSpa Signature Sculpt. This is a 90-minute full-body contouring experience designed to help you feel lighter, more defined, and deeply restored from head to toe. This session blends structured clinical techniques with a smooth, elevated spa feel. The goal is to improve lymphatic flow, enhance muscle tone, create a smoother silhouette, and support a lifted, more energized appearance, all without aggressive pressure or invasive methods. We begin with full-body activation on the vibration plate. This step wakes up your circulation, primes the lymphatic system, and prepares your tissues to respond to sculpting work. Once on the table, we open the major drainage pathways through the neck, clavicles, abdomen, and lower body to make sure everything we do next flows efficiently. From there, we move into a detailed anterior sculpting sequence, starting at the feet and working upward. This includes lymphatic drainage, deep sculpting strokes, fascia release, dynamic cupping, compression techniques, and a heated vibration-based contouring tool to reinforce each sculpt line. We work through the legs, knees, thighs, hips, abdomen, waistline, and arms, finishing every section with Lovett's firming cream to support tone and smoothing. After the front of the body is complete, we move into the posterior sculpting phase. This includes contouring to the back of the legs, outer glutes, hips, lower back, and flank areas. The goal here is symmetry, improved tissue mobility, and a balanced silhouette. Each area receives a combination of hands-on sculpting and heat-enhanced smoothing to refine definition. Once the back work is complete, we return to a face-up position for the final phase of the session. This includes facial sculpting, a warm towel infusion, and a full mini lymphatic facelift sequence to help lift, brighten, and refresh the face. We follow this with chest drainage and a vascular pump technique that encourages complete fluid movement through the lymphatic system. To close your session, we place a warm towel across the upper chest with a light essential oil blend, guide a few grounding breaths, and finish with gentle stretch release. You'll leave the studio feeling lighter, sculpted, and fully reset. The TravSpa Signature Sculpt is perfect as a standalone service, and for clients looking for deeper, more visible results, it can also be booked as a short series. Either way, this treatment delivers a refined, balanced, and naturally contoured feel throughout the entire body. If you're ready to experience the Signature Sculpt and feel what full-body contouring can do for your energy, shape, and overall well-being, you can schedule your session anytime at travspa.com. I look forward to helping you feel your best.